What's going on, everybody? It's your boy Spencer. A long time ago, I found a solution for Adobe loading forever, and then once again, I found myself in a problem with Adobe Creative Cloud and all the Adobe apps where they just would not open. So I've solved this issue, so I won't be able to walk you through it the way that I did because I don't know how to find this problem again. But this is the error message that I was getting, and if you clicked on this video, obviously, you're probably finding the same issue. Again, Adobe seems to not really care about really helping people, find solutions to these problems. So I will walk you through what I did, and I got it to work. For a while, I wanted to give up, but I refused to let Adobe beat me and refuse to let me, use these apps that I pay for. Anyways, so you have this thing, and you're like, I don't know what's going on. You try to download Visual C++ because everyone seems to think that's the issue. The first thing I'll say though, do not download any DLL files. Apparently those are really bad for your computer. It's like a big scam. So the issue really does revolve around C++, but not in the way that you might think, where you just go to the Microsoft website and then download, the C++ again. Okay, so the first thing you're gonna do, and excuse me while I, minimize this real quick. You're going to go here. You're going to look up add remove programs. It's just you go down to your search bar here and then boom, add remove programs, and it'll take you here. So here's all your apps and all that good stuff. What you're going to do is you're going to scroll all the way down until you can reach your Visual C++. What I did, remove all of these. Boom, uninstall, uninstall, uninstall. Because what you'll end up doing is you'll try to go through the route that Adobe says, and it just doesn't work. So I start with a clean slate because these are very easy to download. Boom, you go here, right? Alright, great. Now what you're gonna do next, again, they do not tell you how to do this, is you're gonna go to this file system here. You're gonna just look up your files, and you're gonna go, make sure you click on this PC on the left hand side so it's searching the correct part of your your computer. And what you're going to search up is VCREDIST. I don't know what that means, but sure. So once you do that, it's going to take some time, to search all of them. I think this is a common file. Again, I don't know what they do. It has to do with Visual C++. So if you have other games on your computer, all of these are going to be, relevant to here. It's probably going to end up, downloading at the bottom. I don't know why. And there's also going to be some text files that pop up. Again, don't worry about those either. So you're going to wait for that green bar to go all the way down. What you're going to do, once this starts loading, is check each of these. Right, this is FIFA 21, and usually you can tell that this isn't going to be Adobe programs because it says game / so Adobe, obviously does not have itself labeled as a game. But once these are all done, the one you're going to be looking for is your VC credits, what's it say? Times 64. Again, like I said, all these are going to be text files, text files, text files. You're not looking for those. What you're going to be looking for is an application, and there's going to be a whole bunch of them for the Adobe Creative Cloud software. And now they're finally popping up. So again, here you go, right here. Files / Adobe, Adobe Desktop. I think there's 3 of them. So you're going to go one by one. So that says ARM64. That's not what we're looking for. Boom, here's the first one. vCredit 64, vCredit 64, vCredit 64. So once you do that, you're going to click on them, and it's going to give you a pop-up menu to either repair or install that Visual C++. And you're going to do that for each of them, or at least that's what I did. And once you do that and you go through each of the 64 files, again, I think there's 3, then you will find your solution, and you can double check and make sure, okay, did I go through all of them? That's Steamworks. Okay, so we've gone too far. There we go, Adobe Creative Cloud. And yeah, once I did that and I reinstalled it clean, didn't go to the internet for any of this, I went straight here through these files, which I have no idea where they're located at. I couldn't find them in the Creative Cloud file like they said it was online. This is the only way I could find it, by searching my entire computer for these files. But again, once I did that, I was good to go, and I found a way, to finally use these apps again because all of them didn't work for me. I hope this really helps you guys out too. If you guys have other problems with it and it doesn't work for you, I'm sorry. You're going to have to call Adobe, but this was a solution that worked for me, and I pray and hope it does for you too, so you don't have to go through what I did. Anyways, that's going to do it for today's video, and I'll see you guys next time.